What is an excess or what is a deductible? It's actually exactly the same thing. It just depends what part of the world that you're from as to what you call it. So you've got different options. So example one could be you have a zero deductible. So what a zero deductible or a zero excess, what it means is that if you make a claim, so say for example you go and see a doctor, then if that claim will say $400, then what you would do is you would get 100% of that back because you're on a zero deductible, okay? You're not contributing towards any claims. Alternatively to that, we could go to a per claim option. So let's use $50 per claim as an example. So if you went to the doctors, it was $400, you would contribute $50 towards that claim. We would pay the remaining $350. You've also got different options, so you've also got per annum. So let's use a per annum example. You have a $250 per annum deductible or excess. What that means is that when you go to see the doctor, say that visit costs $400, you would contribute $250 towards that claim. We would pay the remaining $150. And then for the rest of the year, you would effectively be on a zero deductible because you've reached your annual contribution limit. So you've got annual contribution, means that you're saying that I'll contribute a certain amount in a year. A per claim option means that every time you make a claim, you will pay per claim, you'll pay each time you do that. Why do people choose to do this? Well, if you add an excess or a deductible, that can reduce your annual premiums as opposed to paying a zero deductible. Where you'll pay more, but of course you don't pay towards any claims, and the whole point of this is to try to find the right options to fit people's budgets, situations, and of course what people are comfortable with. So what we're really trying to do is achieve a plan that can suit everyone in the best way possible. That's how an excess or a deductible essentially works.